Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For everybody that is new, I am Becky. Welcome, and for everybody that is back, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I know the whole quarantine was going on. We'll sit down and talk, but for today's video we're gonna go ahead and do a little eye look, get ready with me, and a little chit chat here and there. And hope you guys stay tuned. Go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. So I already kind of started and did my foundation, highlighted and contour a bit just to kind of get the basics out of the way. Now we're just gonna jump in with the eye. I'm just gonna go in with the shadows and probably like talk a bit. But yeah, let's jump right in. Oh, by the way, my hair's dirty. Well, not dirty, but you know, just kind of moved it out the way. I'm looking a little crazy. I'm currently sipping on my coffee. So I hope you guys are sipping on something as well. I keep blinking because I feel like it's blurry. Like, I don't know if I got powder. I don't think I got powder in my eye, but maybe like my lashes. I don't know. But anyway, for today, I'm just gonna do kind of like a warm, we're gonna do like a warm eye, but I want to add like a little pop of shimmer in there or something. We'll see. I'm so sorry for the unplug. I just felt like it was kind of time to, you know, kind of give it a break. Not that I was tired of it or anything like that, but it was just kind of more of, you know, unplugging for a bit. But yeah, I'll tell y'all more as we go. Just taming my eyebrows for right now. Need to set these bad boys. So what has everybody been up to? What is the 411? What is everybody talking about? I felt like I wasn't being so active just because I kind of wanted to unplug a little bit. Like, I was still on social media here and there, but I wasn't really sharing or doing that much with like videos and the Insta and all that. I was more on the DL type of thing. But how do you guys feel like after this whole quarantine? I know there's a lot of stuff that's happened. Kind of felt like the quarantine, like homebound, whatever, it was necessary. You know, I try not to look at the, I don't want to say the negatives, but downfall, I guess you can say. I wasn't really trying to focus too much on that because, I mean, what really could we do after, you know, there was everything set to stone. But I did think that it was kind of like a reality check for us, you know. It was kind of more of a, you know, appreciate the little things in life that like are everyday, day-to-day, daily basis that, you know, we kind of take for granted as we go, or we complain about the smallest things, and we don't pay attention to stuff like that, you know. I think that it was good. You know, a lot of people, they were getting let go of, and I was just kind of concerned. Like, that's sad to me. I personally knew a few people that they were, you know, personally like let go of from their jobs just because of what was going on and stuff. And it's pretty sad to know that, like, if you work for a company, just in a blink of an eye, for something that, I don't want to call it small because it kind of was a big deal, but it's just kind of like, dang, like, it's sad to me and heartbreaking that they would just let go of people. And I get it, like, they're probably thinking, oh, pay and this and that, like, you know, all this other stuff. But it's just crazy because some people do rely paycheck to paycheck, you know. People like me, myself, that we work on the service field. I know that sometimes we rely on our tips as far as like our income or like daily expenses and whatnot. Some people tend to save, some people don't tend to save. So I was just like a little scared because I remember that they wanted to push back to the 20th, and I was like, no way, Jose. Like, that was, I wanted to cry when I found that out. But thankfully they announced it to the 8th, and I was so glad because, man, I really missed, you know, like with my clients and touching hair and just stuff like that. Like, I did a lot of binge watching. I watched a few shows here on Netflix, Hulu, some movies on Disney, you know, just a little bit of everything. I did finish one of my books. I got my second book. Just little stuff like that. I was trying to be more organized as far as like, you know, writing down on my planner stuff that I wanted to do once, you know, things were back to normal, bills, etc. Just stuff that you have to take care of. And yeah, it was like, it was a good way of, you know, having kind of like a break. Like, I didn't want to see it as a fallout type of thing, or, you know, like, damn, like it was a rough patch, which it did, you know, like it sucked for a few of us, but I feel like it was needed because we got to see what we, you know, what we need as humans, like as far as to get through and stuff, or, you know, like if anything was to happen again. Like, I feel like that was like a reality check, you know. It was just crazy and sad to see like a lot of the stuff that was going on, and sadly, you know, there's some people that tend to be less human when times are rough. People are really going through it out there, you know. Like, you can't just be greedy. Don't ever think that someone's not going through it. You know, everybody's going through a different patch or, you know, path in life, and you can't just think, oh, this person has it good, they're not dealing with something in life, you know, because even if people don't share it, expose that out there, you don't know. So don't always think that someone has it good or any of that sort. Let's say you're taking good care of yourself and stuff like that. Like, don't think that, you know, like something wouldn't happen to you, you know. Just always stay humble. I'm a 50-50 on the whole quarantine thing. Kind of glad it happened, kind of glad that it's kind of, you know, we're going on phase 2. Hopefully things get better. Some people were also having like weddings and stuff, and it was just crazy. I feel bad for, you know, people that had done like wedding planning, cakes, photo shoots, just stuff like that. Like, I was like, because I'm sure it's not at all whatsoever cheap, or, you know, I know it's expensive, and the stress with planning, also like baby showers. I felt so bad for one of my best friends. Thankfully we got to do the gender reveal prior to, you know, the whole quarantine. It wasn't as bad, but yeah, I was just like, no, we didn't get to have a baby shower for her, but thankfully she is having a baby girl. She should be here soon. I'm so excited for her. And I wish I would have seen her and spent more time with her while being pregnant, like during her pregnancy. Just little stuff like that we don't pay attention to. But I really do hope everybody was safe out there. A lot of people were probably getting in the kitchen, makeup, just doing other stuff, which is good. Like, I know some people, man, if I had a whole backyard, I would want to start gardening. I know a lot of people started doing that. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just curious as to what y'all did during quarantine. Like, let me know, share down below what y'all did, what you didn't do. Did you just procrastinate? I know that also sometimes you just have to take care of biz, like daily biz stuff. Or, you know, people are probably fed up with their job environment or stuff like that, and you just want to unplug. Like, that's okay. You know, as a person, as a human, like, you need to have that self break, you know, like give yourself that time, or just alone time. If you want to unplug, like not chit chat with someone, it is completely fine. Like, I think us as humans, sometimes we need a break or self something, because you get so caught up with like family, like loved ones, daily stuff, you know, work, just everything, you know, it catches up to you, and sometimes you just need like a breather. So I personally, I'm a believer in that. Sometimes it does take that tough time to go through it to come and realize to that. But yeah, just do you. Whatever you need to do, you do it for you. Oh, also another thing that I was doing meanwhile this whole quarantine, since I wasn't really filming and whatnot, but I was also gathering video ideas, you know. I made a list of the stuff that I do want to film. That way it just comes to me, or, you know, I'm prepped on whatever. But yeah, so I have a few videos coming up. I had posted on my Instagram a while back. I wanted to share a few facts about me with you guys. And I think I had a lot of questions with everything. I guess a lot of people didn't know, or they wanted me to go in depth. So I for sure will be dropping a video soon. Probably be my following video, because I would love to sit down and chit chat with you guys and kind of go into depth about some of my, you know, personal life and stuff like that, that I would love to be open with you guys, you know. And honestly, I'm an open book. I really don't mind sharing anything with you guys. So yeah, it'll be coming soon, so just give me a little time here. I'll be coming back with you guys. So after this eyelid has its depth there, I think I'm just gonna do like a little, I don't want to say halo, but just a pop of color in there. What else? Oh, it was Cinco de Mayo. I don't know if some of you guys watched my story. I was getting down in the kitchen. I had my siblings over. It was nice to have them over. It was just nice having them over, even though I'm not used to how loud it gets with the kiddos, but I love my siblings. You know, it was nice having them sleep over, cooking breakfast, playing with them and stuff like that. So sometimes I feel like you just need that, you know, like bonding family time. Yeah, so Cinco de Mayo, I decided I want to do like a little taco party. So I made tacos. I made this bomb ass like elotes. Boiled the corn, I put the mayo, the parmesan, everything, and I just cut it up and sort of kind of like corn in a cup. I just put it on the side. I did little jalapeno poppers. Yeah, my famous guac. Everybody's always asking for it. That guac, man, every time I make it, it does not stay for a solid day. Like literally it will be gone. It's funny because yesterday, what was yesterday? Sunday. It was just a random, like, we decided to make burgers, and it was so good because I made the guac again and everybody was just like topping it. It's like, oh, Dell. But yeah, so it was just like a little bit of everything, really. Okay, so just putting the setting powder on, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYX pigments in a shade, what is this? Pig 21, which is, I'm sure pigments, metallic velvet. Bring it around. The hell? Bro, I look like I got in a whole solid fight. I'm gonna get kind of like a flat brush and dampen it. Much better. Okay, let me just clean up. Let me clean my other eye. Let's do this off camera. I'm just gonna jump in on my eyebrows. Oh, I swear. First day doing makeup, sorry. Setting the baddies here. Just gonna use some of my Morphe brow gel. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in with my mascara and pop some lashes. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took my Revolution Intense Lacquer and I just used it in the center just to kind of give me that ombre lip. I don't know why, but it looks way warmer on the camera than it does. Like if I turn off the flash, see? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes on. Alright guys, so this is the final look.
Hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys next time.